When it comes to viewing wildlife in Senegal, the first place you should consider is the Djoudj National Bird Sanctuary. The sanctuary lies on the southeast bank of the Senegal River, on the northern tip of the country, near the Mauritanian border, northeast of St. Louis, one of the biggest colonial towns of the country. The sanctuary covers some 16,000 hectares of wetland ecosystem that comprise lakes surrounded by streams, backwaters, fords, and sandbanks, making it more than a haven for palearctic migratory birds. In terms of conservation value, the sanctuary was mainly established as an important area for the protection, study, and viewing of birds. At 160 kilometers wide and surrounded by water, the Djoudj is a wetland oasis for wildlife, drawing millions of birds to the area and making it a mind-blowing destination to see them. It is the first migration stopover after crossing the Sahara for species of palearctic and afrotropical birds, being one of the first freshwater sources they reach after crossing 2,000 kilometers of the Sahara. The Djoudj National Bird Sanctuary is mainly populated by pelicans and flamingos that stay buoyant and stagnant on the water. In the winter, an additional 1.5 million birds migrate to the area to stay warm and take advantage of the abundant food supply in the spring, bringing the number of birds in the sanctuary up to around 3 million, especially from November to April. 400 species of birds have been documented in this unique sanctuary. In fact, it was labeled as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981 primarily because of its residents. The birds aren't the only living things to keep an eye out for in this park. Warthogs are known to graze alongside the birds, and even crocodiles too. Due to the technical improvements of upgrade the conditions of the migration reception, species began to breed. With the annual renovation of these improvements and efforts to control hydraulic system, the number of migratory as well as nestling species is increasing. Over 14,000 tourists visit the sanctuary each year. There are several bird watching towers and observatory decks to take advantage of during your visit. This will give you a bird's eye view of the area and allow you to quietly observe its natural surroundings. You can take a guided boat tour to learn about the sanctuary's conservation efforts, so arrive early in the morning just after sunrise to see the winged creatures getting active and searching for breakfast. Since the sanctuary is quite far from most major tourist cities, staying overnight in nearby St. Louis is recommended. So, take the bold step, visit the Djoudj National Bird Sanctuary, one of the most important bird sanctuaries in the world. Explore the treasures of Senegal's terrific natural environment on a tour of this extensive bird sanctuary, tremendous biodiversity with well over 400 species of migratory birds on the protected area. Spend some time with the community and try some authentic Senegalese food to get the full effect of the West African experience.